how to unsave your favorite posts at once. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unsave your favorite post at once. So it's so easy and quick. All you need to do now is go to your Instagram and follow those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your profile. Now click on those three lines, click on setting. Now click on account and click on saved. For example, this is my saved videos. All I need to do is click on it and click on those 3 points, click on selected and select the video you want and click on unsave. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.